My name's Alex, and I spend way too much time thinking about how people either waste or multiply their money without realizing it. If you're someone who feels like you're working hard but not getting ahead financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out, because today, we're breaking down 5 financial decisions that can literally save you 10 years of work. Not theory, not fluff, real math, real psychology, real life.
Here's the thing. Most people think financial success is about working harder, getting a higher salary, or waiting for the right opportunity. That's wrong. The truth is, your life is shaped by a handful of decisions, not thousands. And if you mess up just one of them, you can easily delay your freedom by a decade.
Decision number 1, starting to invest early, even if it's small. Look, I know what you're thinking. Bro, I don't have enough money to invest. Yeah, that's exactly the problem, because here's what most people don't realize. The math. Let's take 2 people. Person A invests $300 a month starting at 22. Person B invests $300 a month starting at 32. Same amount, same effort. Assuming a 10% return, person A ends up with $1.1 million. Person B ends up with $400,000.
The psychology.
That's a
Here's why people delay
$700,000
investing.
difference for doing
I'll
the
start
same
when
thing
I earn more.
just 10 years
I
earlier.
need to clear everything first. It's too complicated. But that's just your brain trying to avoid discomfort, because investing forces you to think long-term, delay gratification, and accept uncertainty. And humans hate all 3. Action step. Start with index funds, automatic monthly investments, even $100 a month, because consistency beats perfection.
Decision number 2, lifestyle inflation, the silent wealth killer.
This is where it gets really interesting. You get a raise, you feel good, and then suddenly, better phone, better car, better lifestyle, and somehow you're still broke. The math. Let's say you get $1,000 per month raise. Option 1, you spend it, $0 saved. Option 2, you invest it at 10% for 25 years. That becomes $1.3 million from just one decision. The psychology. This is called hedonic adaptation. You upgrade your life and your happiness resets, so you keep chasing more and more and more. Action step. Every time your income increases, save or
Decision
invest
number
at
3,
least 50%
buying the
of the
wrong
raise.
house. Not later,
Now you might be thinking,
immediately.
a house is always a good investment. Not exactly. The reality, most people buy too early, buy too big, or buy emotionally. Let's say you buy a house that costs $500 more per month than you should. That's $6,000 a year, $150,000 over 25 years, over $400,000 lost with investment returns. The psychology, your brain says, I deserve this. This is success. Everyone else is doing it. But here's what most people don't realize. Your house is often your biggest liability, not your biggest asset. Action step. Keep your housing cost under 25 to 30% of your income. Freedom greater than flexing. Decision number 4, buying expensive cars too early. Look, this one hurts people because cars feel like progress, but financially, they're one of the worst decisions you can make early on. The math. Let's say you buy a $30,000 car instead of a $10,000 one. That extra $20,000 invested at 10% for 30 years becomes $350,000 plus for a nicer car. The psychology. Cars hit status, identity, validation. It's not about transportation, it's about how you feel. Action step. Rule. If your investments aren't growing fast yet, drive a cheaper car. Delay
Decision
ego,
number 5,
build
not
assets.
increasing your income strategically. Here's something most finance channels don't tell you. Saving alone won't make you rich. The math. Let's compare. Person A saves $500 a month. Person B increases income by $1,000 a month and invests it. Over time, person B wins by a lot. The psychology. People stay stuck because fear of change, comfort zones, imposter syndrome. They think, I'm not ready yet. Action step. Focus on skills that pay. Sales, tech, content, business. Side income streams. Negotiating your salary. Big insight. Bringing it together. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need 100 perfect decisions. You need 5 correct ones, because each one either saves you time or steals it. The 10-year difference. Let's stack it. If you start investing early, avoid lifestyle inflation, control housing, avoid expensive cars, increase income, You don't just build wealth faster, you skip 10 years of struggle. Final motivation. Look, time is the one thing you don't get back. Not money, not opportunities, not mistakes. So the real question isn't, how do I get rich? It's, how do I stop wasting my life on avoidable financial mistakes?
If this made you rethink how you handle money, hit the like button, subscribe, and watch this next video, because the difference between being stuck and being free is usually just one decision away.